It's called monkey bread.
Oh, monkey bread. Everybody knows monkey bread.
Yeah.
Bread is so good.
It could not be easier, really.
Okay.
So what we're going to do first is we're going to take our tubes of biscuits, cut them into fourths, so you can do that.
Can I do the fun thing where I pop it?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
you pop it.
My favorite part.
Don't you just pull the little doodad and then it does that?
Yeah.
Should.
There
Oh, Lord.
we go.
Oh, my God. Okay, I can already tell you would fit right in with me.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So I'm going to add the sugar and some cinnamon into this bag.
I'm going to chop these up.
All right. And then while you guys chop those up, after you're done, put those in the bag.
Dump them in here.
Plop.
And I'm gonna melt some butter. All right, so we melted the brown sugar and butter together. And so once you have all the pieces in there, which is, that's probably enough.
Okay, okay,
Let's just throw them in there.
okay.
Just
Done.
rip them
okay,
up.
Yeah, okay.
All right, zip it up and shake it up really good.
Wait, you're supposed to zip it up.
That's
oh, no.
all right.
Okay, whatever.
And then put the pieces in there.
All right, plop it in.
All right.
Okay.
This is the professional term. Plop it in.
Plop it, plop.
Plop, plop.
This is
Oh my
amazing.
God.
This looks great. All right.
Wow! Look at that!
All right. So then we'll take the mixture. We're gonna pour it over the top.
Oh, it smells so good.
And there would be like one more biscuit roll in there, but you know, we're just gonna do that. And then we take this and we put it in the oven.
Pop it in the oven.
Do it.
30 minutes,
Okay.
350.
You want this one? Do you want this one or that one? Which one do we want?
I think we should. I think we should flip it, maybe.
Oh,
What do you think?
this one? Yeah, you flip it, babe.
All right. So this is where you can make or break your monkey bread. So we'll see.
Make or break your
We'll
monkey
see what
bread.
happens here.
I want
All
to
right.
play that
Make
game
it.
show.
Ready?
Make or break your monkey bread.
Monkey. All right. Here we go.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. All right. How'd it go? Ta-da!